Welcome to Jazz Time. Jazz Time is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. If you'd like to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at jazztime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Datejust 28, made of a white gold and steel with silver index dial and fluted bezel, reference number 279174, a classic model within Rolex's line of Datejust 28 watches. This case, as denoted in its name, is 28 millimeters in diameter, finger to thumb, 10.7 millimeters in thickness, and 33.3 millimeters from lug to lug. It is made of oyster steel for strength and durability, along with beauty and exceptional polish. The architecture is a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown to ensure water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet below sea level. The crystal is of a transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging the crystal. There's a Cyclops lens directly over the date for easy reading at a glance. The bezel is the fluted style, capable of attracting attention from anywhere in the room with its textural look and practical legacy. Originally, this fluted look was made for the function of screwing the bezel onto the case to ensure waterproofness. Over time, it simply became an aesthetic element, and today is a mark of distinction and is always in gold, in this case, white gold. The dial on this model is silver and set with index hour markers, except for the 12 and 3, which are taken by the Rolex crown logo and the date window respectively. The overall presentation is extremely clean with high and excellent contrast. And while we're here, we can demonstrate the time and date setting function. All right, so simply all you really need to do is to unwind the crown, and granted this watch was at a dead stop just now, so we can just keep winding it. There was a tiny bit of charge, so you just had to bump it a little bit to get it working, but that's not good enough for us. Simply just wind it a few times and you're good to go. All right, so that's the first position. The second position allows you to change the date by rotating the crown counterclockwise in order to advance the date window. And the throw is actually very, very small in order to advance the date, so if you're a time traveler, this is an excellent choice for you. And pulling it out to the final position stops the seconds hand, so you can then adjust the time precisely. All right, and be sure to press the crown back in and screw tightly against the case to ensure that waterproofness. All right, and perhaps all of this is made possible by the watch's movement inside. Unfortunately, you can't see it due to the closed case back, but it's the Caliper 2236, one of the newer in-house movements made by Rolex, and it is a perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding movement with plus or minus 2 seconds per day time differential, exceeding Swiss standards of timekeeping. It allows for instant date setting, as I showed you, with rapid setting and stop seconds for precise time setting, as I demonstrated. The oscillator is a Soloxy hairspring in silicon with patented geometry, and it is complete with high-performance Paraflex shock absorbers. It is a bidirectional self-winding via perpetual rotor, so you can effectively wind the watch simply by wearing it. The natural movements of your wrist will keep it wound and replenish the 55-hour power reserve. And if you need to set it down on a Friday evening, you can pick it back up on a Monday morning, and it'll be keeping time just fine. The bracelet on this model is the oyster style bracelet with the flat 3-piece links made of 18 karat polished white gold in the center, with the outer links made of satin brushed oyster steel, polished along the edges for exceptional shine. All right. And the clasp is the folding oyster clasp, a signature feature of which contains the Easy Link 5mm comfort extension for wrist changes throughout the day. Now here it is, open. To simply close it, or rather, to simply close it, all you need to do there we go. This is actually, that was closed. This is it open. close, simply press it shut and it will close just like that. Very nice and easy. All right, now while we have this open, I can try it on as well. Now note that this is a 28mm Datejust, so on my wrist, a standard size wrist, that's about a 7.25 to 7.5 inches in circumference. It is rather a very snug fit, no need to size this at all. So note that it is extremely small on my wrist, but though that's not to say that it isn't stylish. If I didn't have testosterone to completely wreck my body, my wrist size wouldn't be as large as it is, and therefore it would fit much better. Now at this size, it's much more an accessory than to serve any higher purpose, but that might just be exactly what you need with, say, a white dress for a complete look, or a dark dress to really call attention to this well-made timepiece. So who is this watch for? As this is a 28mm Datejust, it is a watch generally marketed toward women and those with smaller wrists, but that's not to say that a man could wear this as well, since the small size keeps its form factor to a minimum, so you can go about your day very easily. It fits very nicely under the cuff, or even a pocket if you wear it closer to your hand. So, what do you think about this watch? Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, as it really helps the channel out. Be sure to subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we go live with another video. And don't forget, if you want this or any other watch, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.